Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play A Million Dreams on the flute. First, ensure your flute is correctly assembled and clean. Take a few minutes, perhaps 5, to warm up your embouchure and fingers with some long tones and simple scales. This prepares you for playing. Next, identify the key signature. A Million Dreams is typically in G major, meaning 1 sharp, F sharp. Finally, find your starting note, which is a clear D in the middle register. Now, let's dive into the melody and rhythm. Begin by practicing the main melodic phrases very slowly, ensuring each fingering is precise. The song features dotted 8th and 16th note rhythms, so pay close attention to their exact timing. A metronome is your best friend here. Start at around 60 beats per minute and gradually increase. Remember to connect your phrases smoothly, aiming for a beautiful, flowing sound rather than a series of disconnected notes. To truly bring A Million Dreams to life, focus on dynamics and expression. Introduce dynamic changes, like a gradual crescendo leading into the chorus and a gentle diminuendo at the end of phrases. Experiment with articulation. Use legato for the flowing melodic lines and a touch of staccato for emphasis where appropriate. Listening to various recordings can help you grasp the song's emotional journey. Consider adding a subtle vibrato to sustain notes for extra warmth and depth. Consistent practice is key to mastering this piece. Break A Million Dreams into smaller, manageable sections, focusing on one challenging part at a time. Recording yourself playing is incredibly helpful. It allows you to objectively hear your progress and pinpoint areas needing more attention. Aim for regular practice sessions, perhaps 20 minutes each day, rather than one long session weekly. Finally, perform for friends or family. This builds confidence and helps you prepare for any future performances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.